That's how y'all can see the little stains or whatever. That's from my wearing grease on my hair. And then right here, cause I wear grease. I mean, I spray my hair with grease. So. And I just have to go off on my sister, but she only don't do something that she can hear my conversation. And I just saw her, I can hear, and she said that my grandma said that some stuff don't be that good. I hear her conversation every morning. I talk about it. She be on the phone every morning over here and laughing, screaming. I don't even be on the phone. I just realized all week we can wear regular clothes. You don't wear my skirt or I'm wear some white shirt. I don't want to wear white or I'm wear white shorts. They dirty. My earbuds dirty. I ain't trying to stop it from working. That's how it's supposed to be. Real clean. I'm not even with it. I forgot that it's a magnet, so I can take it off. But yeah, y'all, I've been cleaning up good, but I haven't recorded. But yeah, I moved my room around, and I'm probably gonna clean out my drawers and all that, just to get prepared for school. Probably gonna do this every weekend, but I got some good news. My sister, we get our own room now. But I'm probably gonna, so yeah, I'm gonna be ordering pillows for us, and I ordered me some LED lights just for my room, I guess, because my sister going downstairs. We gotta clean that out, but it's a room downstairs that she gonna have, so I'm happy, so she's gonna be downstairs, and yeah, I ordered them. I'm gonna get her the pillow with her picture on it for herself, but I ordered us some pillows for the sharing room, but that was before they was talking about her going downstairs. Then when she going downstairs, I had that room to myself. And I'm gonna be on my phone at night because they don't know I have my. They don't know that I wet that too much. They don't know I got my other phone, so they forgot. You know, I put it back in my drawer. But I ordered LED lights for me. I gotta order this I'm gonna order some nightstand, not a nightstand, but some stuff to make my room look cute. He said he might paint my room, the room. So now that's my room. So yeah, and because he said he don't think we moving no time soon. We've been living in this house for like 6 years. That's because we haven't found out how to move because we didn't want to move schools because we didn't want to move school. She asked us, she was like, y'all want to move? We was like, me and my sister said no, we don't want to move schools. That's why. And I actually like this house. It's actually it's good enough for 4 people. So, and rent already $800 just for this 2-bedroom. It's 2-bedroom, but it's an extra. We didn't know it's an extra room downstairs, so it's a 3-bedroom. So my sister going downstairs, and I had this one for myself. I don't have to hear her conversation anymore. She gonna get. I think she gonna get a new TV, and I'm gonna keep that TV. She gonna get. They gonna order. I think they gonna give us a new night. They gonna give me some too. New nightstand. It's a lot. Get her a bed frame and all that. I need a bed frame for my room though. So yeah. I'm gonna get ready for her to leave. Because she gonna pack up all her stuff and go downstairs. Like, all my videos like short, like 4 minutes, just because I don't have no report posting out. But before, it was dirty. Now look at them, period. And then this is very clean, no stains. But it do be from every episode too, cause my but yeah, we're gonna make another video in a minute. It's gonna be, I'm gonna be doing the ready with me, but I'm gonna take a shower and all that and do my hair and all that. This thing in the video got like, I gotta do like 2 more videos today or something, cause I gotta work out. I might put that with the video. I'm probably gonna actually go downstairs, so yeah.